Hello, today I'm going to show you how to apply for E-2 visa renewal online. Please check the description box below for a list of documents required for E-2 visa renewal. Visit highkorea.co.kr and create an account if you do not already have one. Ensure all pop-ups are enabled before you begin. If you already have an account, log into the site. Once you have successfully logged in, head over to the orange 민원 신청 tab. Here, click 신청하기. You should be redirected to the 전자 민원 신청 tab. Move over to the right of the screen and select the second arrow. This option is for visa renewal. The information here informs applicants that the application should be filed before the period of stay has ended, and applicants must be over the age of 17. Those on E-2 visas are able to apply using this option. The processing fee for online application is 50,000 won. Applications are generally processed within 10 days. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and check the box to give consent for use of your information to process your visa. Check 다음 to proceed. If you wish to make any changes, such as changes to your passport or any contact information, check this box. If you do not wish to change this information, click 다음. On the next screen, check the information on file is correct and up to date. Enter any details that are missing. Then enter the reason for application. You can write visa renewal in English here. Once you have checked these details, move down to the next section. Here we will upload your files. Once your files have been uploaded, double-check them. Number 1 is a copy of your passport. 2 is for the employment contract. I also recommend including your class schedule and proof of employment document here. 3 is for business registration certificates. I have combined mine into one file, but you can upload them separately if you wish. 4 is for documents proving your place of residence. Add your housing contract and the confirmation of residence document. For number 5, it may be worthwhile uploading a copy of your ARC, but this is not required. Number 6 is the occupational and annual income report. This is the document you fill in yourself. And finally, number 7 is the proof of income obtained from the tax office, either in person or downloading from the Home Tax website. Once all your documents have been uploaded, click 신청 to proceed to the next step. If you click the box to change any information, it will be shown on the next page. You will then be directed to the payment screen to pay the processing fee of 50,000 won. There is an option in the bottom left corner to change the language. First, agree to the terms. You can choose to pay either by bank or Naver Pay. Select the payment method and click down to proceed. Once you have paid, you will receive confirmation. When you have finished, log out. And that is how you apply for E-2 visa renewal online.